Hey guys, let's see today how to create your own personal voice and setup on iOS 17 iPhone guys. So for that, just go to settings and now just try to find accessibility, and you can see over here, just tap on it, and now just try to find a speech section, and you can see over here a speech section, and you can see over here this option personal voice, because this option available on iOS 17. Just tap on it, and now you can see over here there is the option to create a personal voice. So in order to create a personal voice, just tap on it, and now guys, you have to confirm with your iPhone the passcode. Just go and pass the passcode. And now guys, you can see over here, create your personal voice. So as you can see the message, you can create up to 150 phrases allowed, which may take about 15 minutes. So just continue, just go for continue, and now get ready to record. So guys, in order to create your personal voice, please make sure that while you are going to create a personal voice, that should be there is no any background noise. Okay, so please make sure that guy, and just go for continue, and now you can just create a personal voice. Just give us any name. So you can give with the same name, because I'm creating the first time, right? So just give continue, and now yet the check sound quality. So I am creating a personal voice with my iPhone. So recording consideration high background noise. So that's what before I told you, right? When you are going to create your own personal voice, there is no any background noise. In my case, some from outer side I'm getting some background noise. That's what in here is getting that orange mark. So guys, please make sure that you have, when you're going to create a personal voice, please make sure that no any background noise. Let me listen again. I am creating a personal voice with my iPhone. Just continue. So guys, this way you can create and set up a personal voice on iOS iPhone, and after that, once you have done with your personal voice, you can use as a live speech also. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.